have this amazing whiskey smoker kit. Let's do it together. If you are looking for a digital one, this is the settings, and you set the smoking intensity through here. So this is the intensity, and you increase it through increasing it from here, and you load it from here. This is going to be hot, so watch out. And it comes with all the flavors. The wood, this is the cherry, this is apple, this is beech, this is hickory, this is oak, and this is pear. And since I'm going to use my Smirnoff wild berries, okay, not a regular whiskey, I'm going to use a cherry wood with it. And you open it. Let's grab some wood and load it into it. I'm going to load using the spoon that comes with it here. Ta-da-da-da. All right, let's carefully set this down. We load the wood in here. We load it like that. All right, and then we insert it in here. I'm going to opt to the maximum, and then what you do is you press on it and you wait. Once it reaches 0, that means it's completed. But I'm going meanwhile to open my Smirnoff. It started to smoke. Let me pause it for a second. And I need to open my Smirnoff bottle real quick. All right, let's put it here. And all you need to do is set it on top of your drink. Let me bring it. It's built from fire-resistant material for safety and has a battery indicator, so you always know when it's ready to go. I have set it for the strongest set, and now we are going to get the strongest smoke. As you can see, it's smoking a lot. It's gonna give this amazing beautiful smell. I can already smell it. I can already feel it. Amazing. Look at this. Look at this smoke. It gives this amazing vibes, like coziness. You have no idea how beautiful this feeling is. This cherry smell, I'm so in love with it. Wow. And it stops automatically once it's done. It's a beautiful gift. Now that Christmas is coming, the Thanksgiving is coming, it comes with this beautiful luxurious gift box. Wow, look at this. Cheers, you guys. Wow. It's elegant, it's practical, and guaranteed to impress. Cheers.